Hey guys, it's Amanda here from Bend Like Bamboo, and this week's blog is all about actually one of my favorite quotes from the movie Emotion. And if you're a client of mine out there, you'll know that I love the trailer of Emotion and the movie because it really explains how physical symptoms are often an end result of us not dealing with something, or how we're not listening to our inner guidance. And the quote is, "Lose what needs to be lost to find what needs to be found." So when we lose something in our lives or we lose ourselves, perhaps that is part of the point, because sometimes we need to shed old aspects of ourselves and to completely lose our way and to follow ourselves unraveling off path to discover what we're made of. And how you respond when you're going through something like this is everything. How you react and how you rebuild, and how aware and balanced you can be through these very difficult steps and motions that you'll have to take is what will lead you to become the person that you are supposed to be, to have and achieve all the things that you really want. So lose what needs to be lost to find what needs to be found. My advice this week is to give the mind and body the best environment to choose growth and repair, and to let go of that alarm state, because when you're less stressed and you're feeling more calm and in the moment, you're more inclined to be able to make the changes that you need to make and that you want to make. So meditation and journaling, great tools that we have online for you. And obviously kinesiology sessions, which are great monthly. I do them monthly. It really helps me to get to the bottom of how I'm feeling, which we can often suppress when it feels too difficult. But my other piece of advice this week, can't talk, my advice this week is to, when it feels good, you're in the stream, you're going with the flow, and things will open up for you and feel more effortless, and you'll feel more guided when you are in the stream. And the way you get yourself into the flow and into the stream is by following how you feel. And when you feel good, you're lining up and you're aligned. And when you're not feeling good, just catch yourself in those moments and ask yourself what's making you not feel good, whether it's a thought or an emotion, and just try and think of what does make you feel good and keep on that path. When you're in the moment, you are more flexible, and this builds resilience. When you're reflecting on the past or overthinking about the future, you go back into autopilot, and that's when your worst behaviors come out, and that's not the best environment. So lose what needs to be lost to find what needs to be found. Have a great week, guys. Bye.